In the company of Harry. A dialogue between Stuart Morris and Harry Evans. Harry. When you look at a leaf attached to a stem of a plant, what do you see? Stuart. Green, happy, shape, just a leaf. What's it doing? Just being a leaf. Does that look like it's taking effort or worried about when its time has come to leave the plant? No. If I said to you, all the wisdom you ever need is that and equivalent to a simple leaf, would you believe that? Not sure I get it, but I kind of know it's true. Then use nature to teach you how to become human, without the man-made illusion of time and mind. To simply be will bring you fulfillment through peace, the doorway to light energy awareness. The awareness of the light within is then activated. The whole of creation is connected to a natural phenomenon, which allows the sun to rise on every continent. The cycle of this is as natural to you as the breath, and both are given to the whole of mankind by the laws governed by nature herself. In her roots lies the wisdom for all mankind that can be gained through observation, and then connection, and then finally by accepting that on a physical level there's no difference between you and nature other than the way its form is expressed. Allow nature to teach you how to live without the worry of mind created through the illusion of time and expectation. Simply be. This will remove stress and bring you peace. Taken from the book In the Company of Harry by Stuart Morris.